This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Saira Caffarelli. Come see this gorgeous 3-bedroom 2.5 bath ranch-style home with a finished basement. Located in the desirable Falling Waters area, this home offers a spacious open floor plan, large foyer, kitchen island, pantry, recessed lighting, keyless entry, walk-in closets, 2-car garage, rear deck, storage room and a finished basement perfect for entertainment. Don't miss your chance to make this charming home your home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Saira Caffarelli at 304-263-2121.